Let's rewind the clock, shall we? Back to the early days of the internet, a time when connecting wasn't quite as seamless as it is today. Remember dial-up? The very phrase might evoke a sense of nostalgia or perhaps a shudder of impatience. That screeching, buzzing, almost alien sound meant you were connecting slowly, painstakingly slowly, to a whole new world of information and possibilities. Getting online was a commitment, a deliberate act that required patience and a willingness to endure the process. You tie up the phone line, effectively cutting off communication with the outside world via voice, and wait, sometimes for minutes on end. The web was mostly text, a stark contrast to the visually rich experience we have today. Basic search engines like early versions of Yahoo or Alta Vista were your guides through this digital frontier. And blue hyperlinks were the pathways, the clickable portals that led you from one page to another. Email, in its nascent form, and forums were the main ways to connect with others, to share ideas and build communities. It was a place to find like-minded individuals, often with people who shared your niche interests, no matter how obscure. Every new website felt like a discovery, a hidden gem waiting to be unearthed. It was a peek into someone else's world, a personal expression unfiltered by corporate design. Downloads took ages, testing your patience with agonizingly slow progress bars. Graphics were clunky, pixelated, and a far cry from the high-resolution images we're accustomed to today. But despite its limitations, the sense of wonder and excitement was undeniably real. There were no clear rules, no established norms, no gatekeepers to control the flow of information, just endless possibilities, a vast and uncharted digital territory waiting to be explored. You were an explorer, a pioneer, venturing into the unknown, charting unknown territory with every click, navigating a landscape that was constantly evolving. This early internet, with all its quirks and limitations, taught us the potential of a connected world, even if it was through a slow, noisy modem that seemed to protest with every connection. It was the essential first chapter, a foundational moment in this ongoing story of digital transformation. Then came Web 2.0, a pivotal moment that reshaped the digital landscape as we knew it. It was a true transformation, shifting the internet from a static source of information to a dynamic and interactive platform. The internet became interactive. Users were no longer passive recipients of content. You could comment, sharing your thoughts and opinions with the world, upload, contributing your own content to the ever-growing digital ecosystem, and share with ease, connecting with friends, family, and even strangers across the globe. Social media exploded. New platforms emerged, each offering unique ways to connect and share. Facebook, connecting billions of people worldwide. Twitter, providing a real-time platform for news and conversations. YouTube, democratizing video content and creating a new generation of stars. Suddenly, everyone was a creator, empowered to share their stories and talents with the world. The web became a massive, ongoing conversation, a global town square where ideas and opinions collided. Smartphones changed everything, revolutionizing how we access and interact with the internet. Putting the internet in your pocket, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. Always on, keeping us connected to the digital world 24/7. Always connected, blurring the lines between our online and offline lives. Apps made services more accessible, streamlining tasks, and providing instant access to a vast array of tools and resources. And information was at your fingertips, empowering us to learn, discover, and stay informed in real time. This mobility made social interaction immediate and constant, transforming the way we communicate and build relationships. But new challenges emerged. As the digital world expanded, so did the potential risks. Data privacy became a major concern as personal information was increasingly collected and shared online. Online identity became vulnerable to theft and manipulation in the digital age, and information overload threatened to overwhelm our ability to process and understand the vast amount of data available. Power and data became concentrated in a few big companies, raising concerns about monopolies and the control of information. While Web 2.0 made the internet more engaging, it also came with its own set of problems. It also set the stage for the next evolution, a new era of the internet that promises to address these challenges. The question became, who really owns your digital life? And how can we create a more equitable and sustainable digital future? Enter Web3, a new vision for the internet focused on user control. It's all about decentralization. Instead of big companies, the network is shared among users. The promise? True ownership of your digital assets, content, and data. Blockchain technology makes this possible, providing secure, transparent proof of ownership. NFTs, digital identities, and personal data are all under your control. In Web3, you're not just a user, you're an owner and participant. No more gatekeepers profiting from your information. It's a more equitable, user-centric internet. Blockchain is the backbone of Web3. Picture a digital ledger, like a super secure spreadsheet shared across thousands of computers. Every transaction is recorded as a block linked to the previous one, making it tamper-proof. No single person or company controls it. That's decentralization. This makes hacking or corruption nearly impossible. Blockchain provides proof of ownership for digital items, content, and data. It's the foundation for a web where you control your digital life. Digital ownership becomes as real and verifiable as physical ownership. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence, AI. You interact with AI daily, from streaming recommendations to online shopping. AI learns your preferences, making your experience more personal. In education, AI adapts to your learning style, offering personalized feedback. It can make learning more efficient and engaging for everyone. AI is also transforming creativity, helping you write, create art, or compose music. These tools don't replace human creativity, they enhance it. AI can help you overcome creative blocks and explore new ideas. It's about making your online experience smarter and more tailored to you. The next leap is the spatial web, where digital and physical worlds blend. Augmented reality overlays digital info onto your real world. Navigation, info, even virtual clothes. Virtual reality immerses you in digital environments, games, concerts, or virtual workspaces. The spatial web combines AR, VR, and 3D modeling for a more intuitive internet. Digital interactions become more natural, gestures, movement, and speech. It's not just about screens anymore. It's about stepping into the internet. The line between online and offline blurs. The internet becomes a place you can actually experience. Now imagine Web3 and AI working together. Web3 gives you control. AI makes sense of your data and personalizes your experience. You could have your own AI assistant acting on your behalf using data you own. This AI works for you, not a corporation, because your data isn't locked away. Web3's secure data ownership leads to more ethical, transparent AI. You control how your data is used and maybe even get compensated for it. The result? Deeply personalized experiences without sacrificing privacy. It's the best of both worlds, smart, fair, and user-empowered. So, what does all this mean for your daily life? How will these advancements reshape the way we interact with the world around us? Shopping. Imagine being able to use AR to see exactly how that new couch fits in your living space, while an AI assistant diligently finds the best deals across the entire internet, ensuring you never overpay. Gaming. You'll truly own your in-game items with the power to trade them, sell them, or even use them across different games, creating a whole new level of player agency. And with AI, game worlds become more dynamic and responsive, reacting to your choices and creating unique, personalized experiences. Work and learning. You can attend meetings or classes in immersive virtual spaces, regardless of your physical location. With AI-powered real-time translation breaking down language barriers, and AI summaries helping you digest information faster than ever before. Web3 verifies credentials and meticulously tracks contributions, ensuring fair recognition and rewards for everyone involved. Healthcare. You'll be able to consult with specialists from anywhere in the world through VR, with AI-assisted diagnostics, providing faster and more accurate results, and secure data sharing, ensuring your privacy is always protected. Ultimately, these technologies are designed to make life more efficient, more immersive, and incredibly personalized, adapting to your uniqueness and preferences. The future isn't about replacing reality. It's about seamlessly blending the digital and real worlds, with you firmly in control of your own digital destiny. Change is constant online, but it's always about progress. From dial-up to the mobile web, we've adapted before, and we'll do it again. Web3, AI, and the spatial web are the next big leap. The goal? More control, richer experiences, and a smarter, fairer internet. Yes, there's a learning curve, but curiosity and openness will help us thrive. The internet is becoming more decentralized, intelligent, and integrated with our lives. By understanding these shifts, we can shape an internet that serves everyone. It's an exciting time. Let's be ready to harness its power. The next chapter is ours to write.